Hi, to fix not charging or slow charging issue on your CMF phone one, let's start with the simplest. So make sure that the USB Type-C cable is well plugged into both the phone connector and the adapter. So let's plug it in the phone first. And now USB and plug in a power adapter like this. So if you have been hastily plugging in the charger, the cable may not be properly connected, which can cause your phone to take a long time to charge or not charge at all. And if the problem is not the connection, look at the cable itself. A frayed or damaged cable is a common cause of poor charging. Try connecting another cable and see if the problem goes away. So let me take my other USB Type-C cable and plug it in the phone. And as you can see, it is charging just fine. If I lock my screen, I would see this information charging rapidly. And if changing the cable does not help, test the power adapter. So sometimes it is the adapter that causes slow charging. Try using a different adapter and see if anything changes. By the way, you can check information about the compatible adapters right on the box in which your device came. As you can see, we need to use between 10 14 watts power adapter. So make sure you're using the right one. And sometimes the problem is dust and dirt clodged in the phone's connector, so you can carefully clean this connector and make sure it is clean. This often helps to improve charging. For that, I'm going to take this small elbow brush and simply clean this Type-C connector like that. And also you can use, for example, cotton swab or something like that, soft tissue, and just clean your charging port of the phone. And of course, if nothing helps, try leaving the phone on the charger overnight. Sometimes this solves the problem. And if you have followed all of the previous steps but the problem persists, you should probably contact a service center for repair. And yeah, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.